Good morning, everyone. Today's video is going to be about how to create goals and plans. So at this point in your Xello world, when you go to your waffle menu and you log in, this is your dashboard. You should have all of these activities done. Hopefully you have done at least the careers and lifestyle cost assignment. I would also encourage you to do the exploring career factors assignment. You could also do choosing a college assignment. Another thing would be exploring your career matches assignment. So those would be the ones I would point out that would be the best for all of you. Job interviews assignment would be good. But those are some things we might kind of put to you to do throughout the year. So just wanted to highlight some of those lessons that you could have done at this point. What I would like you to do right now is go up to the tab that says Goals and Plans. So we're going to go to your goals and plans, and I'm going to remove this one really quick. Okay. So you will have all of these different options. Okay. It should put you into you can go and add a plan. So you're going to make a plan. Let's say after kind of looking through my careers or whatever, I want to become I'm going to do something that I know my pathways are going to show. So I want to become an abuse counselor. Okay. And pick an option that's based on your plan. So this is a career choice. For me, this is a career choice. I'm going to have a college choice plan, or maybe I have a technical vocational training plan, or maybe I'm going straight to work. You need to pick what pathway is most applicable to your future plans, as you are all in different places. So this is a career choice for me. So I'm going to search for my career, abuse counselor. There it is, right there. So that's my career choice. Okay. Then it gives you an option to do a to-do list. Add pathways to my plan, talk to a parent or counselor or trusted adult about this career, identify high school courses I need to take to go into this career. You might be past that point. So I could also add tasks here. Look at colleges with this major, set up job shadows for this career, do research on certifications needed, so whatever else you might find, okay? Then I can go down here and I can add a pathway. So what pathway am I going to take? Maybe I'm going to go to the military first and then I'm going to go to college. I know specifically for this career, I'm going to have to do a college step. So I need to look at my options here. So I'm going to add that to my plan. I'm going to add a college or major. Okay, so maybe I want to add a major. So my major is going to be abuse counseling. Select, add to plan. Okay, then I can add a school if I want. So this might be something that you might know outside or whatever. I know that Drake University, oh, maybe they don't. So these would only be, I guess it's mental health. So I would look at all the schools that offer the abuse counseling plan here. If you know of a school, you've done that research. This is not, I'm going to guess right now because this is the world we're in. So let's say, I've done lots of research on Grays Lake, Illinois College, or I've done lots of research on the College of New Jersey, and I really want to go there. So I'm going to go to the College of New Jersey, okay? So that's my school option. I I can add other things to my to-do list. Okay, I need to look for scholarships. What else do I need to do to go to college? Oh my gosh, I need to fill out the FAFSA. I need to look at dates of scholarships. I need to set up school visits. I need to apply to apprenticeships. I need to, oh, I spelled that wrong. Gotta have correct spelling, guys. I need to talk to people in the field and network. Okay, all of those things might be things you need to do. As you start to do that, like I added a pathway to my plan, got it. Okay, maybe you've already done your senior exit interview. You guys have already taken some high school courses, but maybe we need to look at next semester. So these are all different tasks that you can set up. So what I really want you to do is think about what are your exploring career options, and how can you set those up. You could also go to the college planning, if that's something you want to do. In here you can create and track your college applications here. So if you wanted to start applying to like ISU, okay, Iowa State University, I can do that. You can add as many as you want. Regular admission. I don't know what the application deadline is. I'm like totally making this stuff up as I go along, guys. Rolling admission. Okay, it explains that on the side. Did you guys know that? Then you can add your transcript, okay? You can add other tasks. You can put your ACT exam scores. Below you'll find a list of just tasks that help you create your application. So you can start to do applications and things of that sort, and kind of get your application stuff set up. What else? You can look at local scholarships. I think Miss Honky is trying to get some of our local scholarships uploaded. Your local scholarships right now are going to be at your Iowa web or the high school page. This is something that's going to come. If you are doing something through your Common App, you can work on that. You can work on personal essays. You can upload your transcripts and recommendation letters. This tells you what transcripts are, how do you get those supports, any information you have about letters of recommendation, also lots of other helpful links. Your Common App, preparing to apply for your personal essays. There's ACT and SAT support on here. Preparing and studying. Then there's links about registration and then support, how to get good scores. So there's lots of cool stuff. If you guys are using the Common App, you can create your account and it links it to your Xello account, which is really cool for a one-stop shop. So there's so much that you can do in here to help yourself get ready to go. There's also the FAFSA student aid, setting aside time, applying early, creating your FAFSA ID, and then there's FAFSA support. There's all that information about what kind of stuff you need to have, all the information about the FAFSA, how do you track it, how do you find mistakes, how do you do any troubleshooting, and then links to apply for the FAFSA, and then different student and parent checklists. So definitely want to check out all these resources, guys. There's so much in here I didn't even know existed into all this. So it explains all of these different ways to pay for your college, and this is definitely something as seniors, whether you're going into a 2-year, a vocational, or a 4-year, that you might want to look at. So that's a lot for you guys to work on today. So I'm going to go ahead and leave it at that. But your goal really is to make a plan. Okay, what is your future plan? You can add as many plans as you want. Like maybe the first step is join the military, and the next step is to go to vocational training, and to find a school for that. So you can add as many plans as you want. All right, good luck, guys, and hopefully you find this tool as useful and as valuable as we do for you to set up your success.